Today is Tuesday, May 21, 2019. There's this call, chip chip chip. Could it be from this pink-necked green pigeon? High up on the third story high tree. You can hear this distinct chip. And it appears to come from this pink-necked green pigeon. Male one with the orange breast. Now, this call is very loud and distinct. I think it must be from him because there are no other birds on the tree. It's about 7:30 a.m. Tuesday morning, a working day. Yesterday was the day after Vesak Day, which was a public holiday. Now you can still continue hearing the sound. Now I seldom hear them calling, but I see many in the past few weeks. Apparently the pink-necked green pigeon is very common. They seldom go on the ground. Usually they are perched on top of the trees. And as you can see, this is example. Now there are other birds. This could be miners. Miners do make sounds as well. He's still having the sounds, the call. Now he's stopping. He may be calling his mate. You can hear distinctly the other birds. But definitely this is quite distinct. That's why I'm recording this. It's about on the third story high. My zoom lens is up to 200 millimeters. So that's as far as I can zoom. You can see the orange breast, signifying that this is a male pink-necked green pigeon. Still calling. Now there are small birds going there as well. I shall stop now. As I just wanted to record the call of the green-necked pink pigeon. Singapore, May 21, 2019. Pink-necked green pigeon calling.